Yesterday, I got blindsided by the Fed. I forgot about them. Just,
Oh, the quarter point buy.
yeah,
Yeah.
rookie mistake, but I forgot about them in a good way. I was in a trade. I didn't even have a profit target yet. I was just like in the trade. Didn't have a stop loss either. It's like could have got creamed.
Working without a
Yeah,
net.
no net. Yeah, no kidding. Because I was distracted. I do that frequently, and I really got to get out of that habit. It's a really bad habit of mine. But I lucked out and made 30 pips. Because then I was like, oh shit, I should have been more careful.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's October 30th, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. Global markets remain cautious after President Trump called his meeting with Xi amazing, rating it 12 out of 10, as the US and China agreed to a one-year trade truce. European bourses trade lower, while US equity futures are mixed, weighed by post-earnings moves. Meta down 8.8%, MSFT off 2.3%, and Google up 6.9%. The yen stays weak after the BOJ kept rates steady, with Governor Ueda signaling no preset timeline for hikes as the dollar holds post-FOMC gains. Gold rebounds above 4,000 per ounce, oil stays range-bound, and traders eye the ECB rate decision, Lagarde's remarks, and upcoming data including Tokyo CPI and Japan's jobless rate, with major earnings from Amazon, Apple, and Coinbase ahead. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Aussie US dollar, as you can see, we have just penetrated and broken through lower resistance. After firing off a penetration signal into resistance. So what do we do? Before it used to be a guess for me, but now I can see because of the new handy dandy, what am I calling this thing? The bias indicator. The bias indicator is
Okay.
telling me that yes, it did penetrate. It would have told me to get into the trade right about here, short. So it's handy for like when you're in between the two lines
Yeah.
also, or between support and resistance. If you want to try to take a trade, it's pretty handy there. So anyway, it was telling me that everything is going down here, but now it's starting to pull back a little bit. Either there's a new area of resistance forming down there that hasn't yet materialized, but this would lead me to not pursue taking the short, maybe wait around and see if anything emerges to take a long position at this point.
Yeah.
Boy, I'm going to have to train algo on this thing.
I got
Okay.
some demand sitting down there.
Yeah, I'm going to have to sit him down with a bowl of kibble and show him how this
Yeah, that's
works.
what should be called, Bill. Kibble.
Yeah.
Because it helps algo.
There you go. So anyway, my prediction for a Aussie US dollar for now is up. So we'll see how that goes. I'll put little arrows on it. Nah, I won't do that. Okay, so that's US dollar. Let's see how we do with US CAD. The same thing except in reverse. The bias signal fired here, which would have been a great place to get into but then we penetrated overhead resistance and broke through. We got a signal for both penetration and then a breakout. What do we do? Looks like right now we have the same situation. The histogram is breaking down. So there's probably some overhead resistance forming here. And I'm going to just play wait and see, but I'm guessing.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
Seeing that this is going to start to come down. That would be my prediction there. Next one, US Chief. Wow, they're all the same. Same thing.
We got to figure out what news broke.
Yesterday, I got blindsided by the Fed. I forgot about them.
The quarter point buy.
Yeah, rookie mistake. But I forgot about them in a good way. I was in the trade. I didn't even have a profit target yet. I was just like in the trade. Didn't have a stop loss either. It's like could have got creamed.
Working without a net.
Yeah, no net. Yeah, no kidding. Because I was distracted. I do that frequently, and I really got to get out of that habit. It's a really bad habit of mine. But I lucked out and made 30 pips. Because then I was like, oh, shit. I should have been more careful. But anyway, same situation here. Signal lined up right there on the bias indicator to go long. This actually broke through overhead resistance. Still going, but the bias indicator is running out of gas. So my guess on US Chief is a move, at least for a little while, to the downside. And last but not least, pound US dollar. This one is pretty straightforward because it's not doing much anything. So the bias indicator, if you wanted to trade middle of the road trade, I don't know what to call that. We need a name for that, Dave. Railroad trade.
Yeah.
It would have indicated for you to go short right there, which would have been a great trade for you, all the way down to resistance. Now we have a penetration indicator right here. Normally, when I see those, I'm expecting a bounce to the upside. The bias indicator is telling me the pressure to the downside has diminished and looks like it might go in the opposite direction. So my prediction here is price will start to go to the upside.
Yeah, on a 15-minute chart, you got a gap that's probably going to cover about 25 pips up.
Okay. All right. That makes sense. Anyway, that's all I got for today.